Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday! In today's episode of Draw Tip Tuesday, I'll be making a postcard for my nephew. In June, he gave me this card for my birthday, for which he made a stamp out of beetroot. Isn't he clever? We'll be trying that in our Draw Tip Tuesday lab soon. Well, anyway, it's his birthday today. Yay! So I'm sending him happy birthday greetings. I like recycling, so I cut up a piece of cardboard. On this brown background, white and black will look very nice, so I'm using a white paint marker and a fine liner. For the design, I will first use a pencil and erase the lines later. First, I neatly write gefeliciteerd, which means congratulations in Dutch. And I'm drawing him a little present too. Once I'm happy with the design, I trace the word with the paint marker. You could also use a gel pen or a brush and acrylic paint. I trace the more detailed lines of the drawing with a black pen. Using the felt pen, I trace the outlines of the letters, which will give it a more solid look. Then I trace the outsides of the present drawing. And I color in the ribbon. Then all I need is some touch-ups to make the black lines stand out. Gefeliciteerd, Milo! Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my draw tips. See you next week!
Today's item is the empty toilet paper roll. When you've used up your toilet paper, what do you do with the roll? Well, it depends on where you live. Most recycling haulers will accept this with your other paper. However, if you have Eureka Recycling, they don't want this. So you have some other options. You can compost it in your backyard compost bin, or if you don't have one of those, Ramsey County accepts this type of paper through its organics recycling program. So simply bring it to a yard waste site to be composted there.